Hi there, lovely people. So, in this vlog, I would like to take you to a very special trip to Beer. We reached Beer in the morning, and then there was a little trek kind of a thing to reach to our hotel, which was Ruper's hostel basically. So, the overall stay was good. It was all based on the theme of the very famous show Friends. So, all the rooms were based on the names of the characters like Monica, Rachel, and everyone. So the overall stay was amazing, although I would not suggest you to have breakfast there because it was not quite good. But it had all the games like Jenga, pool, and everything. So it was pretty good and a comfortable stay overall. Beer is also known as the paragliding capital and is known for its spirituality, meditation, and the amazing monasteries that it carries. Well, to talk about my trip, it was a 2 days trip, and on the first day, it basically went by just traveling and getting to witness this amazing scenic beauty, the sunset, and just capturing it again and again. I mean, just look at it. It looked so beautiful. It was breathtaking, man. Then we captured some pictures, had an amazing food, and then we were all set to just sit and enjoy the sunset. And that is all for day one. We went back to our hotel, and on the way, we saw a couple of amazing stores wherein you could take stuff for your loved ones. Vairagi collection was the best store that we could find, although there were many stores on the street. There were food stalls, cafes, stores, and all on this busy street. So we just picked up some stuff and we were good to wrap up with day one. For day two, we had already booked a cab wherein the person would help us just explore the city, for which I'll drop all the details down in the description box. Firstly, we went straight away to have a good food. This cafe was basically besides a monastery, so I forgot the name, but it looked quite big and it was a very peaceful environment overall. We ordered ourselves a good breakfast and then we were all set to leave. So, this was how the cafe looked. I'll just drop in the name somewhere on the screen since I'm not able to recall it right now. So, here was the monastery. Then we left for our second spot for the day. Well, when we visited Beer, so we couldn't get a chance to experience the paragliding. It was all the drill which was going on, and it was about to start within the span of 2-3 days. But we weren't there for that long, so we had to skip that. So we just went to one of the biggest monasteries in Beer, which was Shera Bling Monastery. I'm not sure if I'm pronouncing that correctly, but it was one of the biggest monasteries in Beer and it was all hidden behind the mountains of Himachal Pradesh. I was not allowed to capture ahead of this because there was no videography allowed post this point. What are you having? Mind sharing your meal? We also found this superwoman rescuing the cute little baby. This was the third destination for the day and it was a trek wherein we found a person who asked us to hire a guide in order to complete the whole trek. And oh boy, just let me tell you, even though I was not able to record most of the clips, but it was crazy. It was damn crazy. It was scary, fun at the same time. And even though I was just about to back off, but one of my friends just cheered me up to complete the trek anyways because it was once in a lifetime experience. And let me tell you, if you do not complete that trek, then you are actually missing out on stuff because it was absolutely the best thing that I did and the absolute highlight of my whole trip. Then we just got all wet and decided to just have a cup of hot chocolate. So we sat in this cute little cafe. The rest of the day just went by cafe hopping and just getting to experience a new trek towards a new cafe. So this was another place which I heard from all the YouTubers and it was all over the web. So it was Northern Cafe. Well, I would just provide my feedback based on all truths. So hands down, it was one of the prettiest cafe in Beer with an amazing view. but the food was absolutely pathetic. It was really bad. The service was really bad. We just went there for food, and just like us, most of the people were just there for the food and this amazing sunset. So would not recommend. Then we went to this another cafe which was Himalayan Pizza, and we actually went there for 2 nights just to have the dinner because the food was actually better than most of the cafes over there, and we also had this cute little company along. Well, that was it. That is all we covered in 2 days. It was majorly cafe hopping and getting to just soak in all the beautiful sunset that we could witness. Beer, you were extremely, extremely beautiful and would definitely come back again for the paragliding. For all the details, I would definitely just drop it in the description box. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.